Hi guys, how are you all? So hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to cover the IELTS Speaking Part 3 2025 important questions which is really expected to come in your upcoming IELTS exam in speaking side, okay? So in today's video, I'll give you some of the questions, important questions, but again, this is not the end of the word, so you can also see that the questions you can have it in the future also. So this is not the like half of the question. You can see mostly questions in the upcoming videos too. So but these are the questions are really important. I will expect that you should definitely review everything before going your IELTS exam for speaking side. So first question is very important, that is, what are the differences between online learning and offline learning? If you are new on this channel, then please I request you, everybody, each and every individual, please do subscribe this channel, because here you can get the opportunity to do free speaking with us. This is IELTS Wisdom and I'm your tutor, and I'm here to help you out with your IELTS good band and you to get succeed for your IELTS. Okay, so number two is very important question is, do you prefer to do study alone or with a group of people? This is one of the important question asked by the examiner to my student. That is a recent, very recent question. So if you know the answer, it's good. If not, then I will definitely, in my next video you can see the answers for all these questions, okay? And the next question is very important, that is number three, what are the advantages of learning in a group? So again, when the topic is study, or when the topic is your major, or sometimes examiner ask you about study, your major, or your schooling and your subject choices, there they can ask these type of questions. So these are the expected questions for your upcoming IELTS exam, because these are the new questions asked by the examiners to the students. So please prep these answers. If you need any help, then definitely I'm here to help you out with that. Number fourth question is, what subject most young people prefer to learn in the group and why? So this is again one of the important question asked by the examiners. To this is the current, actually the current IELTS exam, very current, recently happened exam. So there the examiner asked the questions to the students. So these are the new, very new, because it wasn't expected by the students. So they did not expect that this type of questions they can ask, but they asked, okay? So that's why the reason all these expected questions for 2025 speaking too. So please prepare these so these questions or answers before your IELTS speaking exam. But if you need my help, we are also running the free speaking sessions, 101 free speaking sessions. But again, I need you guys to subscribe this channel, share this video with your friends, and also if you are preparing for your IELTS, job, or for your IELTS interview, or for your job related interview, then we are also helping the students to finding the jobs. And mostly in Canada, I know there's a big recession going over there, but again, we are helping the students to get the job and to get succeed in the future. All right, so now next is, what is the most important what is the most important when you're choosing a job, a high salary or instant interest? So I know this is kind of a hard question these days, because if people need the job, like students in Canada, they need the jobs, right? So they cannot just go, oh, this is not in my interest, like I don't like to do this job. But again, if they need the job and there's open opportunity, then definitely they need to accept, even though no matters if they like it or not. But again, here the question is for excuse me, question is for like it it is up to like you like it or not. So that is again, you need to decide and you need to provide the answers in both ways to the examiner. You cannot see the situation like, okay, like in some of the countries, they need the job no matter if that is their according to their interest level or not. But again, if they need the job, they definitely need to accept the job, whatever the job it is, right? So but you need to prepare the answer according to three ways. The first way, if there's no job in the market, then definitely you need to accept the job, whatever the job is open, and you can have to accept that. Okay. And the second thing, if there's option, right? So if there is an option, then definitely you need to accept, like there's two openings are there different way, and two openings and two job offers in front of you, then you need to decide, okay, what is your interest, what you can do, what you can't. Okay. So you can prepare the answer according to that. And the last one is what do you think about face to face learning, like with the teacher, with the tutor, or the coaching centers, right? You're going to the coaching centers too. So what type of learning you prefer? So you can create the answer in both ways. So in my video, in my next video, you can see the answers in both way, like what type of learning you want to learn with the teacher. If with the teacher, then what is the benefits there? If without the teacher, then what benefits or disadvantages are there? Okay. So we can consult all these in the next video. These all are the very important questions, recent questions asked by the examiner to the students. So please go and prepare your answer. This is part 3 speaking, and then this is expected 2025 questions for your IELTS upcoming IELTS speaking exam. In my next video, I will provide you the answer of these, or if you need the specific question, if you have any specific question, you can also write down in the comment section. I will definitely help you out with that too. This is all I have it in this video. I will see you in the next video for the answers. And if you are new on this channel, again the request is please do subscribe this channel, and also for more tips and tricks you need to subscribe and share this channel with your family or with the friends who is going to appear in IELTS exam and who is going to prepare for their IELTS or their job preparations. Thank you very much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, and please do subscribe. Bye bye. Take care and best of luck for your IELTS grade bands, and Happy New Year.